If your Windows 11 became very slow after an update, don't worry. In this video I will show you real working fixes to make your PC fast again. Why this happens? This happens because of background updates, temporary files, driver issues or new features running in the background. Let's fix it step by step. Fix number 1. Restart your PC. Yes guys, after update, Windows run background processes. Restart your PC once before doing anything else. Fix number 2. Disable startup apps. To do that, press Ctrl Shift Escape button or right click on the taskbar, then select Task Manager. A Task Manager window will open. Now find Startup Apps. Click on that. Now you need to disable the unwanted or unnecessary applications which start up during the PC boot. Right click on that, then select Disable. So once you disable the unnecessary applications, just close the window. This reduces load during startup. Fix number 3. Delete temporary files. To do that, right click on the Start menu, then select Settings. Now find System, find Storage. Click on that, say yes to continue. Give some moment, it will collect the all temporary files. Once the temporary files has been scanned, click on that. Now it automatically select the all temporary files. Also, if you want to delete the files under download folder, you can select it. So once you're done, just click on the remove files, then continue. This frees space and improves speed. Close the window. Move to the fix number 4. Change power mode. Right click on the Start menu, then select Settings. Click on the System, then find Power and Battery. Click on that. Now you need to set the power mode to best performance. Here it is. If it is balanced or power efficiency, just change it to best performance. This will boost your PC speed. Close the window. Fix number 5. Update or fix drivers. Right click on the Start menu, then select Device Manager. Find Display Adapters. Double click on that to expand. Right click on the driver and update it. If you are connected with internet, just continue with the search automatically for drivers. If you don't connected with internet, select Browse My Computer. I have connected, so let me update it. Then find network adapters. Here it is. Double click on that. Select the network adapter. I am connected with Wi-Fi. Right click on the driver, then update. Then search for drivers and update. Outdated drivers cause lag after updates. Close the windows. Move to the fix number 6. Disable background apps. To do that, go to the Windows search bar, search for Settings, open the Settings app, find Apps, open that. Here, select Installed Applications. Select the top applications. Click on the 3 dots here. Select Advanced Options. Scroll down, find Background App Permissions. Select It is Never. And also set the background permissions to never to the other applications which is not really required. Once you're done, close the window. Fix number 7. Run system repair commands. Go to the Windows search bar, search for CMD, right click on the command prompt, select Run as Administrator, say yes to continue. Now to repair the Windows corrupted files, type the command sfc /scannow. Hit enter. Wait till complete and restart. Okay, now the scan has been completed. Then type capital DISM /online /clean up -image /restore health. Notice the capitalized each word first letter. Then hit enter. Wait till complete and restart your PC. So once you're done, close the window. Fix number 8. Uninstall recent updates. If the problem started immediately after update, just go to the Windows update, Search for settings, open it, select Windows Update menu, scroll down, select Update History. Under Related Settings, click on the Uninstall Updates, select the latest update and uninstall. So this will remove the latest updates and your PC works same as before. So the important note is after updates, Windows may take 1 or 2 hours to stabilize. So give it some time. And that's it guys. If this helped you, like and subscribe to our FIXsage for real Windows fixes. Comment your PC specs, I will help you to optimize it. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.